Hello everyone. Welcome back to our gardening series. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of growing red beetroots right in your own backyard. Beetroots are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. So, if you are ready to get your hands dirty and grow some vibrant, fresh beetroots, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Number 1. Preparing the soil. The first step in growing healthy red beetroots is preparing the soil. Beetroots prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Start by loosening the soil using a garden fork or a tiller. Remove any weeds, rocks, or debris to create a clean, fertile space for your beetroots to thrive. Number 2. Planting the beetroot seeds. Now, let's talk about planting the seeds. Beetroots can be directly sowed into the ground. Plant the seeds about an inch apart and half an inch deep in rows. Make sure to water the soil gently after planting to settle it around the seeds. Number 3. Watering and maintenance. Consistent watering is crucial for the growth of beetroots. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially during dry spells. Water deeply to encourage the roots to grow deeper into the soil. Also, be sure to mulch around the plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Number 4. Thinning the beetroots. As the beetroot seedlings grow, you'll need to thin them out to provide enough space for the remaining plants to develop properly. Thin the seedlings to about 3 to 4 inches apart. You can use the thinned seedlings in salads or other dishes, so they won't go to waste. Number 5. Harvesting the beetroots. After patiently waiting for your beetroots to mature, it's finally time to harvest them. Beetroots are usually ready to harvest 8 to 10 weeks after planting, or when they reach a desirable size, usually around 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Use a garden fork or a trowel to gently lift them from the soil. Number 6. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Growing red beetroots at home is a rewarding experience. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy these delicious and nutritious vegetables straight from your garden. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy gardening, and until next time, happy growing.